Hello students, you know I am J.K. Kumbar, maths teacher in K.A. Bantiya Madhyamik School, New Panvel, Raigad. In previous period, we see the solve quadratic equation by formula method. Now our next article means maths 1 quadratic equation second chapter, which is very easy to you. And this next article is again this is very easy, but this is new concept for this year. Which is our next article? See here, nature of roots of quadratic equation. Nature of roots of quadratic equation means what? Without solving the quadratic equation, we can determine the nature of roots. Means these are real or equal or unequal or not real. These are the natures. We can write the nature without solving quadratic equation. How? We can see here with the help of value of discriminant. Discriminant means value of b square minus 4ac. If the quadratic equation in standard form, we can write the values of a, b, c. If we know the values of a, b, c, we can find b square minus 4ac. If we know the value of b square minus 4ac, we can write the nature of quadratic equation. And b square minus 4ac is nothing but delta. In Greek word, it is called delta, means discriminant. Find the discriminant of given quadratic equation means find the value of b square minus ac. And b square minus 4ac is called delta. And on the basis of delta, we can write the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Okay? Now write down. Nature of roots is determined. Write down. Nature of root is determined by the value of b square minus 4ac. By the value of b square minus 4ac, and it is called as discriminant of. It is called as discriminant of quadratic equation. Is denoted by Greek letter. Is denoted by Greek letter delta. Nature of root is determined by the value of b square minus 4ac. This is in our formula method, and it is called as discriminant. It is called as discriminant of quadratic equation, is denoted by Greek letter delta. If we know the value of delta, we can write the nature of roots. Now we see next one, the nature. If we know the delta, then we can write the nature of roots. Write down this again. Here, if delta is greater than 0, delta is equal to 0, and delta is less than 0. If we compare the value of delta with 0, if we compare the value of discriminant with 0, only there are three possibilities. Which are these? First one is if delta is greater than 0, if delta is equal to 0, and if delta is less than 0. Delta means value of discriminant is known by b square minus 4ac, and b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant delta. This is the notation of discriminant. If delta is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. Delta is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. If delta is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. And third possibility means delta having the value less than 0, that means negative. Roots are not real number. Roots are not real number. That means if we find the value of b square minus 4ac from given quadratic equation, we can write the nature without solving the quadratic equation. Delta is greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. Delta is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Delta is less than 0, roots are not real numbers. These are the nature of roots with the help of delta. Now actually we are going to solve some examples based on this. Before that, there is one small article, the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. Write down next article, the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. Coefficients of quadratic equation. Alpha and beta are the roots. If the alpha and beta are the roots, then the relation between alpha, beta and a, b, c. Alpha and beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then that means this is quadratic equation, and roots of these quadratic equations are alpha and beta. You know, x square plus 5x 6x plus 5, x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2 and minus 3 are the roots of this quadratic equation. Here the quadratic equation will be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A, B, C are the coefficients. Alpha and beta are the roots. And we are going to see here the relation between roots of the quadratic equation and coefficients. Means we have to see the relation here, alpha, beta, A, B and C. Then write down alpha plus beta is equal to minus B upon A, and alpha into beta is equal to C upon A. Keep in box and don't forget this. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus B upon A, and alpha into, this dot means multiplication, alpha into beta is equal to C upon A. A, B, C are the coefficients and alpha, beta are the roots. This is the relation. Okay. Now next one small article. To obtain quadratic equation, to obtain quadratic equation. If roots are given, see कितना मजा आएगा. देखो, roots are already given, means answer is given, and find the question. See what is the meaning of this article? Answer is given and find the question, means roots are given and find the quadratic equation. अभी तक क्या किया था? Quadratic equation is given and find the roots, and here roots are given, find the quadratic equation. Very easy, no problem. To obtain quadratic equation if roots are given, if alpha and beta are the roots, then quadratic equation will be x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. See there, this is very very easy. If we know the roots, put here, then simplification, and then this is required quadratic equation. Means if alpha and beta are the roots, the general equation, the required equation will be x square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. See, this is only. Write down, this is very 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 easy. Don't forget this. This is very easy, but don't forget. Practice must be essential for mathematics each and every day. Then practice set based on this article. Next practice set will be practice set 2.5. Practice set 2.5. Question number 1. First question, there is activity. जब तुम लोग वीडियो देखते हैं ना, उस समय टेक्स्ट बुक बाजू में रखने का, टेक्स्ट बुक में जो दिया है वो भी पढ़ने का और वीडियो भी सुनने का और देखने का. टेक्स्ट बुक में, इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक there is activity of first question. This activity complete yourself. Means first question try to complete yourself. Now second one, find value of discriminant. Find value of discriminant. Discriminant means b square minus 4ac. Good. First one, x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. If we find the value of discriminant from this quadratic equation, what we have to know first? ABC. How we can find ABC? Comparing with standard form. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 7 and c is equal to minus 1. Then discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b is 7, 7 square minus 4 into a is 1 into minus 1, keep in bracket. Square of 7 is 49, minus minus again plus 4 ones are 4 and 49 plus 4, that is 53. B square minus 4AC B square minus 4AC is equal to 53 is the value of discriminant of given quadratic equation. Okay. Now one more example. Now one more example from practice set 2.5. Practice set 2.5. Okay, here. Now again, third example, second try to solve yourself. Root 2x square. Root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Our question is find the value of discriminant. Comparing with solution. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2 root 2. If we know the value of a, b, c, then value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to b is 4, that is 4 square minus 4 into root 2 4ac 2 root 2. Square of 4 is 16 minus 4 2s are 8 into root 2 into root 2. Square of 4 is 16 minus 4 into 2 is 8. Root 2 into root 2, that is under root 2 into 2. Order of square is same, therefore this is the multiplication. Minus 8 into 4 is equal to 16 minus 8. This is 4 is the perfect square and root of 4 is 2. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. This is the value of discriminant. Okay. This is very easy. If the quadratic equation is in standard, not in standard form, convert in standard form, write the value of a, b, c. This is formula of discriminant b square minus 4ac. Put the values. After calculation, you will get the value of discriminant of given quadratic equation. Then next one, third question, same practice set. Determine the nature of roots. Write down question. Determine the nature of roots of the following quadratic equation. Of following quadratic equation. First example from third question, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Without solving the equation, only determine the nature of the roots. You know, it depends on value of delta. Delta means value of b square minus 4ac. Comparing with solution. ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 4. And C is equal to 4. Now, delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b square, that is minus 4 bracket square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 4. Value of any square of any positive or negative number should be positive number. Means square of minus 4 is plus 16 minus 4 into 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 16 minus 16, 0. Means here value of delta is 0. Here delta is equal to 0. Here was the second condition. If delta is equal to 0, then roots are, here delta is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. You know there are three possibilities. Delta is greater than 0, delta is equal to 0 and delta is less than 0. Here delta is equal to 0 means roots are real and equal. Okay, any problem in this example? No problem, very good. Now we will see next one. M square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. Comparing with am square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 9. Now delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to b is 2 square minus 4 into a is 1 into 9, square of 2 is 4, minus 4 ones are 4 and 4 nines are 36. Means delta is equal to, subtract smaller number from bigger number and give sign of bigger number. 36 minus 4 is 32. That means minus 32. Here, what is here? Delta is negative, means less than 0. Here delta is less than 0. Therefore, roots are not real. Roots are not real if delta is less than 0. Okay, very easy examples. Only compare with standard equation. Find the value of b square minus 4ac, that is value of delta. And if you know the delta, we can write the roots of equation. And the remaining examples of practice set 2.5 means question number 1 activity, then some examples from question number 2, then some examples from question number 3. Try to solve at home. If any problem, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number, call me or WhatsApp me. Okay.